Welcome back, YouTube. Chilling in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. So we in the month of December now, and I know it's chilly outside, all depending on where you living at. So today we're gonna be making us a chicken Brunswick stew, and I got a little brisket I got cooking. I'm gonna add a little bit of that to it too. So the main key ingredients we're gonna use is your favorite barbecue sauce, about a half a cup, some tomato paste, or you can use ketchup, cream style corn. And chicken broth, I'm gonna use this to boil up the chicken to get it to pull off, so I can pull it off this bone. I got some onions for my veggies, and we're gonna use a couple potatoes. So the first thing we gotta do is we gotta go ahead and just put this chicken on and let it boil. Everything else, you can't do nothing else till your chicken is done. So we're gonna let this chicken cook for about 45 minutes to an hour till it's nice and done on about medium. Stay tuned, you guys. Okay, so I got my chicken nice and shredded. This right here is my chicken broth with the potatoes in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken in there. So here I have about a half pound of brisket that I'm gonna use to put in here. I'm gonna just shred this up. I already cooked it. I'm just shred it up just like I did the chicken. Alright, so we got our brisket all shredded up. We're gonna go ahead and put it in here with our chicken, our potatoes, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in our other ingredients. Okay, so I got about a pound lima beans here. Frozen lima beans, just gonna put them in there. So I'm gonna be using the creamy style sweet corn, 2 cans, but you can use regular corn. I'm gonna be putting in a 12 ounce of tomato paste. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take this over to the stove top, get it mixed up, and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. So here I have, I'm gonna be adding in my white and red onions. And we're just gonna do about a half a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is, you just use it. Just wanna get all that combined together. Let it simmer about 15-20 more minutes. Stay tuned, you guys. Alright, here we have it, our final product of our Brunswick stew. Man, it smells amazing, you guys. I wish y'all could dig in and take some of this right here. Woo! I'm about to tear this all to pieces. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boston today. If y'all like to see any more of these cold videos for the nice cold weather, for the winter coming up, hey, just drop some comments below what you guys like to see. Give this video a thumbs up. Hey, go ahead and push that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.